Understanding the rental market. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic that you often hear about in everyday life, especially if you are living or planning to live in an English-speaking country: the rental market. This video will help you understand what it means and why it's important. The rental market refers to the market where properties, such as apartments, houses, or even office spaces, are available for rent. When we say market, we mean the place where buyers, tenants, and sellers, landlords or property owners, come together. In this case, it's not about buying and selling properties, but rather about renting them. To fully understand the rental market, you need to know some key terms. Landlord, the person who owns the property being rented out. Tenant, the person who rents and lives in or uses the property. Lease agreement, a legal document that outlines the terms and conditions of the rental. Rent, the amount of money paid by the tenant to the landlord, usually monthly, for using the property. The rental market operates through supply and demand. When there are more properties available than people who need them, rents might be lower. Conversely, if more people are looking for places to rent than there are properties available, rents can increase. This dynamic is influenced by various factors like location, economic conditions, and property types. The rental market is crucial for several reasons. Housing. It provides housing options for people who cannot or choose not to buy a property. Economy. It's a significant part of the economy, affecting both individual finances and broader economic conditions. Mobility. It offers flexibility and mobility for people who need to move for jobs, studies, or personal reasons. Like any market, the rental market has its challenges. Affordability. In some areas, high demand can lead to high rents, making it difficult for people to afford housing. Quality of housing. Sometimes, rental properties may not be in the best condition, and tenants might have limited options. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what the rental market is and why it matters. Whether you're planning to rent a property or just curious about how this aspect of the economy works, understanding the rental market is essential. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.